नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है मन की बात आरजे अर्चना के साथ, जहां मेरी कोशिश रहती है कि मैं आप लोगों की रूबरू कराऊं उन तमाम इंस्पायरिंग पर्सनालिटीज़ के साथ जो हमारी ज़िंदगी में हमेशा इंस्पायर करते हैं हम लोगों को आगे बढ़ने के लिए। जी हाँ दोस्तों, आज का दिन 4 फरवरी 2021 वर्ल्ड कैंसर डे है और वर्ल्ड में कैसे हम कैंसर के अवेयरनेस फैला सकते हैं, कैसे हम अपनी ज़िंदगी से इस खतरनाक बीमारी को हमेशा हमेशा के लिए टाटा बाय बाय कह सकते हैं। कितनी टाइप्स ऑफ कैंसर है और कैंसर के कितने स्टेजेस है, कब अगर हम इसकी ट्रीटमेंट शुरू करें, कब इसकी डायग्नोसिस शुरू हो जाए तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कैंसर के पेशेंट्स क्योर हो सकते हैं, इसी विषय में जानकारी हासिल करेंगे हैदराबाद के फेमस ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट फ्रॉम कॉन्टिनेंटल हॉस्पिटल डॉक्टर मलिक सिंह राजू के पास। With all due respect, let's listen to the important message from the famous oncologist of Continental Hospital, Hyderabad, Dr. Malik Singh Raju.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Malik Singaraju, oncologist with Continental Hospital. Today, February 4th, we are celebrating World Cancer Day. Every year on February 4th, WHO celebrates World Cancer Day with the intention of creating awareness regarding cancer. Since 2019, WHO comes with a theme every year, and this year the theme is I am and I will. Cancer has become second most common cause of death throughout the world globally. Previously it was thought that developed nations, that is Western world, is being affected by cancer, but now throughout the world many people are being affected by cancer. Can you imagine? 1 in every 4 person is at risk of developing cancer during his lifetime. Every year, more and more people are being affected by cancer, and it has become a burden on the society and the family, both psychologically and financially. It is very important to know about the cancer. What are the different types of cancers? What are general signs and symptoms of cancer? So, what to do if we have such symptoms and signs? How to diagnose early? These are all very important things which we need to know. The most common cancers in females is breast cancer, followed by cervical cancers, head and neck cancers, lung cancers, and colorectal cancers. Similarly, in males, we have head and neck cancers, lung cancers, colorectal cancers, and prostate cancers, which occur commonly. Females should undergo regular screening campaign. Screening means identifying the disease much before its symptoms appear. That is, identifying the disease in the zero stage and curing completely. The most common screening is available for cervix and breast, which are very common cancers. For cervical cancers, from the age of 25 till the age of 60 years, we should go for regular screening, which includes pap smear and HPV testing. In many centers, there is only pap smear available. In such centers, we should do screening at least once in 3 years. Similarly, for breast cancers, after the age of 20 years, females should do self breast examination once in a month on a particular day. And females above 40 years, they should undergo at least once in 2 years mammography, at least once in 2 years for low risk cases. In case of high risk cases, what are high risk cases? High risk cases are people who are having a strong family history, or family history means mother, sisters, or mother's sister, or mother's mother. It's a strong family history. Or somebody already has pre-malignant lesions. The lesion which has potential to become cancer are called as premalignant lesions, which are not cancers. Similarly, someone who has already had cancer to the other breast, they should undergo screening every yearly and a much early age. And there are also vaccines available for cervical cancers, HPV vaccines. They can be taken from the age of 12 years till the age of 45 years. So, better get vaccinated. The most important thing is stay healthy, maintain adequate weight, and have an ideal diet. Have a healthy lifestyle, avoid tobacco and alcohol. Have stress-free lifestyle. Take adequate rest. Have a regular exercise. And whenever you have any symptoms, the common symptoms include any ulcers in the mouth which are not healing, or any ulcers or swellings in the body, changes in the breast, any bleeding from any part of the body, especially bleeding from vagina, white discharge from vagina, constant fever which is not subsiding, persistent cough which is not subsiding, chest pain, breathlessness, change in the voice, difficulty in swallowing. These are all symptoms of cancer. So, whenever somebody has any of these symptoms, you should not panic but visit the doctor. Do not delay their symptoms. Go for regular screening and get vaccinated, because cancer, if detected early, is completely curable. Stay fit, stay safe, stay away from cancer. Do well. I wish you all the good luck.
Thank you so much, Dr. Singaraju, for sharing your valuable messages with us. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you liked the video. And if you found this video very informative, then please do leave your comment so that we can reconnect with Dr. Malik Singaraju once again on the same subject in detail. Thank you.